Here's a quick walkthrough of how to create your GIF for today's assignment. First, start by accessing your camera app. You're going to create a 4 to 5 second video of your head. Alright, once you've made that, that should be saved. Possibly in your camera roll, or it might be in your downloads or video. So here it's showing up in my camera roll, but again, it may be there with your pictures. It could be in video. Sometimes it shows up in downloads. When that first comes in from a Chromebook, it'll come in as an MKV file, which is not supported by our next step. So our next task is to go to an MKV to MP4 converter. Lots of those to choose from. You can just Google that and pick a software package. A lot of online tutorials that are free there. So we're going to choose a file. It's in my camera roll. Find that MKV file. Here it's uploading it. I can start the conversion. Then I can download that file. Once you've downloaded that, you can go to unscreen.com. You will upload that clip. So I just sent that to downloads. So here it is. So it comes in as a GIF with a transparent background. Keep in mind this will only do up to a 5-second video. You can have some fun with some alternate backgrounds. I kind of like just transparent so I can use that later for other things. Once that's there the way you want it, hit download. That should show up in your downloads as a GIF, and you can go back to your Schoology page. As you write a comment, you're going to put in 2 truths and a lie. I'm bald. I have an eagle for a pet, and I like ice cream. Along with that, you'll hit the File button. You'll take that GIF, which should be in your Downloads folder. If you're not already in Downloads, you can navigate there. I'll put that in, then you can hit Post. It'll take a little bit of time for that GIF to fully render so that it becomes visible. While that's happening, you can refresh the screen. And if you're not the first person to post, you can reply to the person above you. If you are the first person to post, then you can reply to me, because I should already be on that list.